Reliance Jio ramps up AirFiber for faster 5G monetization before 2025 IPO, initial public offering. Reliance Jio is ramping up its 5G based fixed wireless access business, Jio AirFiber, by significantly increasing customer additions over the next year. This strategy is aimed at driving 5G monetization as the company prepares for a potential initial public offering by the end of 2025, according to a report by the Economic Times. Jio aims to onboard 1 million AirFiber customers within 30 days, leveraging increased data consumption and subscriber growth to fuel excitement around its IPO. Brokerage firm CLSA noted in a research report that these efforts are likely to enhance the valuation of Jio ahead of the proposed listing, the news report said. To meet its aggressive targets, Jio has expanded its distribution network and streamlined its AirFiber onboarding process, enabling the connection of over 1 million homes monthly. As of September 2024, the home had over 2.8 million AirFiber users and is estimated to have added another 1.9 million broadband customers in the December quarter, based on analyst projections as mentioned by Economic Times. Higher revenue potential from AirFiber. Jio's FWA business offers a significantly higher revenue potential compared to its mobile services. The average revenue per user for AirFiber is approximately 650 to 700 per month, more than 3 times the 195 rupees mobile ARPU recorded in quarter 2 of financial year 25, the news report mentioned. This makes AirFiber a critical driver of 5G monetization, which has faced delays despite Jio's $25 billion investment in 5G spectrum and infrastructure. To kickstart 5G monetization, Jio raised the minimum plan threshold for its 5G mobile broadband service in July 2024, requiring users to upgrade to higher value plans. However, analysts suggest that the expansion of AirFiber's high ARPU user base is expected to accelerate monetization efforts, especially as the full impact of recent mobile tariff hikes will only materialize in the fourth quarter of financial year 25 and first quarter of financial year 26. Positive outlook for ARPU growth. Faster monetization of 5G services is expected to boost Jio's ARPU in the coming months, strengthening its financial metrics and making it more appealing to investors ahead of its potential IPO. Global brokerage CLSA predicts that Jio's operating income will grow by 40% to 87,600 crore rupees by financial year 27, driven by ARPU growth and subscriber additions. By financial year 27, Jio's ARPU is expected to reach 230 rupees, up from 195 rupees in quarter 2 of financial year 25. The Economic Times mentioned. Anticipated IPO, India's largest. Stanford C. Bernstein has valued Jio Platforms Limited, which includes Reliance Telecom and digital businesses, at $98 billion. Based on this valuation, Jio's IPO could be the largest in India's history, potentially raising around 42,100 crore rupees. Current regulations require companies with a valuation of 1 trillion rupees or more to sell at least a 5% stake in their IPO. The largest IPO in India to date has been Hyundai India's 27,856 crore rupees offering in 2023. Reliance Industries, led by Mukesh Ambani, currently holds a 66.5% stake in JPL. The remaining 33.5% is divided among strategic investors like Meta and Google, 17.7%, and the global private equity firm, 16%. JPL had raised over 1.52 trillion rupees from these investors in 2020. Bernstein forecasts that Jio will achieve a compound annual revenue growth rate of 17% over the next 3 years, driven by 14% ARPU growth in financial year 26. The brokerage also expects Jio's market share to increase, capturing 48% of industry revenue by financial year 26, the report said. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.